Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your store account on the Xbox app. First, open the Xbox application on your computer or mobile device. Look for your current profile picture, usually located in the top left or right corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select the Sign Out option. This action will log you out of your current account, preparing the app for a new login. It's a straightforward first step to ensure a smooth transition. Once you've successfully signed out, you'll see a prominent Sign In button. Click this button to begin the process of adding your new account. A new window will appear, prompting you to enter the email address and password associated with the account you wish to use. If you have two-factor authentication enabled for added security, be prepared to complete those prompts, such as entering a code sent to your phone. This ensures only you can access your account. After signing in, take a moment to verify that your new profile picture and gamer tag are correctly displayed within the Xbox app. You can also navigate to the Settings menu, often found by clicking the three dots or a gear icon, to double-check your account details. If you encounter any issues, such as the wrong account still showing, try restarting the Xbox application. Sometimes, a full device restart can also resolve minor glitches, ensuring your account change is fully recognized. Changing your Xbox App Store account allows you to access all the games, purchases, and subscriptions tied to that specific profile. This is incredibly useful for managing different gaming libraries or for family members sharing a device. By following these simple steps, you can ensure you're always logged into the correct account, providing a seamless and personalized experience within the Xbox application. Enjoy your gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.